Alright, on today's video, we are back at the range, and today we are going to be doing another ammo test with the Smith Wesson M&P 2.0 22 Magnum. Alright, the ammo we're going to be testing today, this is the Fiocchi Range Dynamics, and this is called the Total Metal Jacket. It is a 40 grain bullet, it's just a target round. And it is rated to travel at 1900 feet per second. I highly doubt it's going to go that fast out of the M&P, but out of a rifle, that's probably pretty close to what it will hit. Now, I want to thank Bill, one of my subscribers, for sending this out to the channel. He actually sent me quite a bit of ammo to test out, and all the ammo he sent, we haven't tested on the channel yet. So this is really cool. So this is what we're going to be working with today. All right, we got 5 rounds of the Fiocchi Range Dynamics 40 grainers loaded up. Got a chrono out in front of me, and I got a camera down there running on the target. I don't have a camera on the chrono. I'll just call out the speeds as we go through. Gonna shoot a 5-shot group at the A zone of that target down there. I'll call off the speeds after each shot. All right, we got a 1298. And a 1265. 1246. 1296. And a 1300 flat. All right, so all 5 of those ran just fine. And let's get out and see what the target looks like. All right, that was a really good group. They're all within about 1.5 inches there. All 5 shots. Nice. All right, we got 20 rounds of the Fiocchi Range Dynamics ammo loaded up. Got 2 USPSA targets set up in front of me. Gonna fire 2 shots into the A zone, transition back and forth till we run out of ammo. Here we go. All right, ran them all. Got the sun coming up in those trees right now, and it's wreaking havoc on me with an optic. Getting a glare, but looks like we had all good hits. Let's go check them out. All right, target on the left, we had all alphas. And the target on the right, all alphas. I really like that Fiocchi ammo. All right, we got 10 rounds of the Fiocchi Range Dynamics loaded up. Got a USPSA target down there at 25 yards. Let's shoot a group, see how it goes. All right, ran all 10. Let's get out and check that group. All right, let's see what we got here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 alphas, 2 Charlies. That one was close. All right, we can't leave until we shoot a Dr. Pepper can. I got one of the Fiocchi Range Dynamics loaded up. There we go. All right, my final thoughts on the Fiocchi Range Dynamics ammo. This is a great ammo. In fact, I'm going to find some more of this and buy it. 100% reliable, runs great, group's good. Nothing bad to say about it. And I really want to thank Bill for sending this out to the channel. he sent me quite a few boxes of ammo to test, and this is one of my new favorites. So, Bill, thank you. Appreciate it very much. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.